You must have watched many documentary videos, but have you ever wondered how these videos are actually made? Let me tell you something interesting. Without learning advanced editing and without using any fancy software, you can create a documentary style video all by yourself. Want to know how? I'll tell you. In today's video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process so that by the end of this video, you'll also learn how to make such videos. So let's get started. The first step is topic selection for a documentary video. For this, we'll take a geography topic, how Mount Everest came into existence. After topic selection, the next step is script creation. For that, we'll use ChatGPT. Here you can give this prompt. I want to create a 60-second documentary video on this topic in English. You can select the language and enter your topic here. After that, write, provide me with the script for the same, and then submit it. So here, it has created a complete cinematic documentary style script for us. We didn't even ask it to create scenes, but it still did. In case you don't get this option and only receive a script, you can give it instructions again to create different scenes for the script. For each scene, create a realistic 3D text to video prompt. Only add miniature landscape growth animation if the scene naturally requires location build-up. Otherwise, use normal 3D cinematic visualization. What's the next step? For the scenes that have been created, we need animations. So we'll give it another prompt and it will provide prompts according to different scenes. Now, the next thing is creating visuals. For that, we'll use Grok AI. Here, we'll copy the prompt for the first scene as it is and go to Grok. First, switch the mode from image to video. Then select the aspect ratio, whether you want it for shorts or a YouTube video, and paste the prompt here. Now, Grok AI will create an animated visual based on the prompt you provided. Let's preview it. Appreciation. Nice. From here, you can download it. Similarly, you need to repeat this process for all the scenes. All the scenes are ready, it's time for the voiceover. For that, we use 11 Labs. See, here we need to add the script. So we'll go back to ChatGPT, copy our script from there, come back here and paste it. Now, this script contains many additional things like scene descriptions, so you'll need to remove those. If you want, you can first paste the script into a document, make adjustments, and then paste it here. Next, you need to select a voice and then choose the vibe for this documentary video. Let's play this voice.
The highest point on Earth stands as a symbol of nature's raw power. 200 million years ago, our planet looked very different. The land we now call India was once a drifting continent, slowly moving north across a vast ocean. About 50 million years ago, India collided with Asia.
This sounds fine, so we'll download it. After that, you need to import this voiceover and all the clips into any video editing software. Next, first add the voiceover to the timeline, then add all the clips one by one. Now, the media we downloaded doesn't match our project settings, so we'll select Keep Project Settings and add all the media files to the timeline one by one. We've also generated some more animations, so we'll import them as well. Now, the voiceover is a little over 1 minute long, while the scenes are only 30 seconds long, so we need to increase their duration. For that, we'll slightly slow down their speed, okay? Then we need to adjust all the scenes and place them over the voiceover so that each scene is in sync with the narration. Let's preview the final output.
Nature's Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, stands as a symbol of nature's raw power. 200 million years ago, our planet looked very different. The land we now call India was once a drifting continent, slowly moving north across a vast ocean. About 50 million years ago, India collided with Asia. The impact was so powerful that neither landmass could sink, forcing the Earth's crust to rise instead. Over millions of years, immense pressure folded the crust upward, creating the Himalayan mountain range and giving birth to Mount Everest. Even today, Mount Everest continues to grow, rising a few millimeters each year as the tectonic plates keep pushing. Everest is more than a mountain. It is living proof that Earth is always changing.
So this was the complete detailed process of how you can create a documentary style video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can keep bringing more useful videos like this for you. That's all for today. I'll see you soon in the next video.